2025 Toyota Hilux Vigo Dala 4x4. Off-road beast. The wait is finally over. The 2025 Toyota Hilux Vigo Dala has arrived, and it's packed with exciting new features and upgrades. In this video, we'll take you on an in-depth tour of the latest iteration of Toyota's iconic pickup truck. From its rugged exterior design to its premium interior amenities, we'll explore every aspect of the Hilux Vigo Dala. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the Hilux or just looking for a reliable and capable pickup truck, this video is for you. We'll delve into the Vigo Dala's impressive off-road capabilities, its powerful engine options, and its advanced safety features. Plus, we'll discuss the latest tech and convenience features that make this truck a joy to drive both on and off the road. But that's not all. We'll also compare the 2025 Hilux Vigo Dala to its predecessors, highlighting what's new and what's improved. And if you're wondering about pricing and availability, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to know about the Toyota Hilux Vigo Dala and whether it's the right truck for you. So, what are you waiting for? Watch our comprehensive review of the 2025 Toyota Hilux Vigo Dala now and discover why it's one of the most anticipated pickups of the year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. The Toyota Hilux Vigo is a rugged and versatile pickup truck designed for those who need a vehicle that can keep up with their demanding lifestyle. With its powerful engine options, robust build quality, and impressive towing capacity, the Hilux Vigo is perfect for both work and play. Its durability and reliability make it a popular choice for off-road enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or navigating rough terrain, the Toyota Hilux Vigo is a trusted companion that won't let you do want.